This is your Dallas-Fort Worth real estate market update. We'll get right into it with your major counties, your major cities, as well as to see how the Federal Reserve's interest rate cuts actually affected our market. Here's a tip, rates actually skyrocketed. Let's get right into it. We'll start with Tarrant County. We had a September average price of $428,000. October looks like we're going to be at $433,000. That's an increase of roughly 1%. What that is 2 weeks of rates being lower, which we'll show you later in this video where rates are now and where they were for about 2 weeks, where a lot of these closings happened. In Collin County, we had $550,000 with an increase to $567,000, which is a 3% increase. It's a bit of a mixed bag here. Dallas, this is the city, not the county. 6% increase in 1 month. That's major, that's big. Johnson County was a 4.5% increase, almost touching $400,000 for your average home sale price. Now Southlake, if you don't know about Southlake, it's one of our premier neighborhoods, the best ISD, one of the best in the state and in the country. For sports, academics, all of it actually went down 2%. Mansfield is your middle class, upper middle class. Give you a little snapshot of that. Went up 7%. That's major. That's the biggest one we have here recorded. Now there may be other cities that I'm not touching on here, but again, this is a snapshot of Dallas-Fort Worth. Arlington is going to be your middle class again, down 5.8% from $370,000 to $350,000. Frisco's your upper middle class typically. You have anywhere from $350,000 homes up to the multi-millions. It's a big range there. You'll see your average price is $740,000. It's double, Arlington, right? Went down almost 7%. Transactions are kind of holding steady from September to October as well. Days on market, not a huge shift in anything, plus minus a few days, as you see here. And here's some graphs to help you actually see it. Pause the video if you'd like to actually look at these graphs a little deeper. Interest rates. Let's dive deeper into interest rates because this is what helps with demand, especially in the seasonality of that we're in. It always slows down in October, November, December, picks back up February, March. But interest rates, you see down here, all through September, this 6%, that is what I believe we're seeing. That price pick up in October are all these interest rates. People were locking in contracts, and now October 24, 6.5. It's actually higher. Look at today, 7%. 7% is a number I've noticed. It really slows our market here in Dallas-Fort Worth. You still have investors running around. I myself is going to be looking to buy a few properties during this downturn that has already started. We did have this little bump in October. Again, you can see that mixed bag. Seasonally, you do sometimes see a little pop after Halloween. We have coming up here actually tomorrow. I think the outlook for the winter, October will probably be the peak going into the winter, and we'll come out of that, and by March or April, we'll be coming back up, and we'll see if we beat last year's high, which was the all-time high, was this year, 2024. We beat the 2022 high. We'll see where we head from here. We'll see what Federal Reserve is going to do. They've announced that they're likely to cut rates. They're going to watch jobs. They're going to watch everything that's happening with the markets, and that will affect rates, obviously. But as they cut rates, mortgage rates went up. And we discussed that in our last video. I'll put it here that mortgage rates and Federal Reserve are not exactly correlated, and we discussed that, and you would have been ready for that if you saw that video. Again, we'll post it here. Subscribe for more home tours and pertinent market information like you have here to help you make your best decision for your family. Thanks.